Hello bingo fans, did you know that there's a bingo card generator within Google Slides? And it's free. So let me show you. We start off generating bingo cards with an empty presentation or Google Slides, alright? So I go to extensions and then I'll open up bingo for Google Slides and do a setup bingo. You will see a sidebar here that shows up, and then you can pick how many cards in a page. All right, so for printout, so you can do it in landscape mode or in portrait mode. All right, so let's try 4 cards in landscape mode. All right, so that's done. So you can see there's 4 cards. So let's delete this and then do it in portrait mode for printout, for easy printout. So portrait mode is about 8.5 by 11, and then I'll import 4. Alright, so now there's 4 cards here. Now I want to generate a lot of pages. Let's say there are 15 people who's gonna play, so I can generate 1 page per person. Alright, so let's pick 15 pages and create cards. So it's gonna generate 15 different cards for you for free. All right, so just give it a few seconds. There we have it. So let's close this, and as you can see, they're all different, so you can print all of this out. All right, so let me remove all of this. All right, so next one is, so how about if you want to play bingo on Google Slides? So yeah, so this extension also allows you to play. So let me return this back to, a standard widescreen. All right. So here, as you can see at the bottom of this setup bingo, there's a setup bingo flashboard. So when you want to do that, you just click setup flashboard. It will show you a bunch of examples here, or screenshots. You can just pick one, click that, and then it will import it. That's it. It's simple as that. All right, so now if you want to play, you just go back to the extensions and go ping bingo for Google Slides and play bingo. So here it will have a one big green button, say draw bingo ball. So if you want to start, you can just click draw bingo ball, or you can choose a pattern so everybody can see, and then you can actually project this in your big screen if you want to. So let's say we want pattern 8. You can click that, and then it will show people what the pattern is, or it could be all, or it could be just any horizontal line, etc., etc. All right, all the ones here. You can create your own too if you want to. All right, so now how do you want to play? If you want to play, so how are you gonna play? So you just click draw bingo ball, and then it will give you that sound, and then it will show G53 here, which is this one, G53. So there's a board that people can look at whatever the balls have already been picked, right? And then you go to the next one. All right, so B1. All right, so once you hit 5, then that's the time you need to pay for a subscription to play. All right, other than that, generating all your bingo cards should be free. All right. All right, so how do you get this extension to your Google Slides? All right, so you will get it from Google Workspace Marketplace, and there are 2 ways to do that. So let me show you the first one first. You can actually get it within Google Slides. All right, so go to extensions, and then you can click add-ons, get add-ons. All right, so once you see this screen, you can type in bingo for Google Slides. All right, so this one will show up. Since I haven't installed, it's going to show something like that, and then I click that, and it will show a button here which says uninstall, since I haven't installed it before, right? So yeah, but if you haven't installed it, it's going to show like this, like it's going to show install button there. All right, so yeah, so you'll see that, and you need to click that to install this extension. So what if you want to go through directly from the Workspace Marketplace? So just go to Google and then click search for Google Workspace Marketplace, and then once you see this, download business apps in Marketplace, click that. The same thing on the search bar, you type in bingo for Google Slides. All right. So once you're here, same screen, you can just click install. There's also a video here, etc., and a few screenshots here to show you the sample. Okay. Before I let you go, just make sure after you install this, you need to refresh your Google Slides so that the menu items will show up. All right. So that's it. All right. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you can see other games that we create. All right. Thanks. Bye now.